This tree is very easy to identify. The sarsaparilla tree, once it reaches about this height, it always grows at least one mitten leaf. Where is it? Right down here. Shaped like a mitten, and the rest of them are shaped like a mitten with two thumbs. But the roots are edible. In the top, you can see how this is all green. All the way down to right here, it turns more woody. So you could eat this whole top, and it tastes like asparagus. Root beer flavored asparagus. Take this, take off the leaves. Really soft, delicious.